Many learners translate thoughts from their native language first, then into English, causing delays. Julia, why is thinking directly in English so crucial for language fluency? So, by training to think in English, we foresee learners speaking more fluidly, understanding quicker, and not getting caught in translation errors as they gain proficiency. Jason, a major roadblock is learners focusing too much on perfect grammar mentally before speaking. This leads to unnecessary pauses. Can you relate this to real examples?
Absolutely, like when talking, a learner might hesitate thinking, is it present perfect or past simple? But native speakers often don't stop for grammar checks during a casual chat.
Exactly. While accuracy matters, fluency comes from thinking quickly and naturally. How would you counter the argument that grammar focus is vital at higher proficiency levels? Looking ahead, reducing such grammar-focused blocks could yield a system where fluency isn't compromised by grammatical challenges, benefiting learners widely. Julia, you've outlined some great strategies to transition thinking into English. Can you explain how naming objects around us in English aids this transition?
Sure thing, it's an excellent starting practice. By identifying surroundings like lamp, window, and describing actions, I am drinking coffee, learners weave English into daily life subconsciously. Understandable concern, yet it's about creating foundational habits. Over time, describing mundane activities builds a mental English lexicon, readying learners for conversation naturally.
So ideally, habitual practice helps learners eventually think in English as second nature, a promising prospect for those aiming for fluency. Jason, consistent practice is key. A daily exercise could be setting a no translation period. How might that look practically? Looking to the future, forming these daily English practice routines could encourage learners to maintain discipline, making thinking in English an eventual default mindset.